Okay, thank you. Hello everyone. My name is Irene Ingabire. Today I will explain the prep model and argumentation, how it is help the persuasive speaking and importance of lobuters. So let me start with question one, where it talk about what is the prep model. First, we have to understand the prep, where the P explain the point, Allah explain the reason, and E explain the example. P again explain point, repeat, repeat again point. It is a simple way to organize your idea when you see making an argument. First, you state your main idea, then you explain why it is important. Next, you give any real life example, and finally, you repeat your main point. So, the second question talk about how a prep help make argument stronger. So something I can say for this question, the prep model help make an argument more clear and convincing. It helps the speaker to stay on organized, speak clearly, to support idea with reason and examples. So because of this, the audience can understand and brief the message more easily. Um, the third question talk about an example using prep model. Here I can set the topic. One topic called alcohol should not be allowed under 18 years. Here the point, alcohol should not be allowed for the people under 18 years. The reason, because it can harm their health and affect their brain development. Further, as an example, for example, the many young people who drink alcohol perform poorly in school and may develop risky behavior. So the point, therefore, alcohol should not be allowed under 18 years. The question number four talk about what is the libido. A libido is when you respond to any opposition opinion. It means you explain why the other side is wrong or less correct. So the question number five is talk about the importance of lobutos. Lobutos are the important because they make your argument stronger. They show you understand both sides. They help convince the audience. Question six, the example of Robusto. Some people say young people should be allowed to drink alcohol for freedom. However, this is not correct because health and soft are more important than freedom at young age. The last question talk about tips for responding to opposing view. Here are some there are some tips. One has the four tips. First one, stay calm and respectful. Second one, listen carefully to be at the side. Third one, use factor and examples. Last one, do not attack the person, only their idea. So an example I can give for this question, if someone says students should not have homework, you can respond by saying, while homework can be stressful, it will help the students practice and improve their understanding. Um, and concluding in this presentation, so the prep model help us organize, present strong argument, while Roboto help us respond to opposing idea effectively. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for your attention.